The key to classifying the types of generators in a wind turbine lies in the peak power curve. So if you look at the peak power that you can get from wind, you see that it indeed has a peak. So of a typical type of power curve, where if we are operating in this region or in this region, then you would not be achieving the full power output that you want. So you want to operate here. You don't want to operate here or here. However, looking at the different types of wind turbines, some of them are constant, called constant velocity wind turbines, or constant speed wind turbines. So let's say a constant speed wind turbine could operate here. And then, of course, you're not getting the full peak power. So what is optimum is a wind turbine that wants to track the maximum power point, the MPP, which you remember from solar and other applications. A wind turbine can chase this peak. So you want to chase this peak. A wind turbine can chase the peak of a power curve if it can vary the rotational velocity of the rotor through some active control. So let's look at this chart where you have different velocity speeds of the wind, for example, 9 meters per second and 5 meters per second, but you are able to vary the rotor speed to achieve peak power. And that's done by the various types of variable speed wind turbines. We call that variable speed. So the fixed, when we're talking about large scale wind turbine generators, they do not operate at a fixed speed. They all are a variable speed wind turbine type. I'm defining here the word wild AC. Quite honestly, it's not a popular term, but it does exist in your course outline. And so it was deemed an important term at some point to have in there. Wild AC is just a term given to the variable frequency, variable voltage, three-phase output of a wind turbine. So let's look at the wind generator types. Now, this conventional induction generator, this constant speed generator, this is the one that's not going to work at peak power, and it's not popular for industrial wind applications. Then there's a variable rotor resistance induction generator. This one I'm going to show you in figure 3 of this lecture note. But type 3 and type 4 are basically all large scale utility wind turbines are type 3 and type 4. So, and what's very popular is a doubly fed induction generator. So we're going to focus a lot of our attention on that. So this is what's very popular is our type 3 doubly fed induction generator. So we will go into the details of the operation of variable speed wind turbines, because it really is a moot point about any constant speed wind turbines.